Welcome this video about ground pool landscape idea on a budget. Our ground pool is a fantastic way to enjoy summer fun without the high cost of an in ground pool. However, mean homeowner warm that our ground pool much look lost alternate comfort and their built in central part. The good news is that with the right landscape idea, you can transforming your pool area into a beautiful and invite backyard retreat even on the target budget with some created affordable material and smart palette. Your above ground pool can look like a central prize of your outdoor living space. Belong budget friendly landscape idea to make your pool area look amazing without break the bank. Create a smart match board. One of the most affordable way to provide the look of your underground pool is by create the board area. It's give and more material that define the pool area and make it feel international. Choose pearl or river rock for a clean look. Not only do going, but it also during melting board is even then and add a natural feel. You can line the base of your board are easy productive that can be complete in a weekend. Add pot plants for gardening. You can need an explaining style landscape design. Use pots palette to create a large area your pool. Length, long porous plants or even colorful flower can frame the pool are beautiful. The advertising of porous plants in fixability you can remove them area, choose the look, seasoning, and the height, cost of plants in the gardening. If you own a budget, consider pots make for upcycle material like bring or even storing pen. Build a private screen. Privacy is an important part of make your pool area enjoy in an experiencing size fence. Consider budget friendly privacy such as bamboo fence rule. After and easy to install, then give tropical vibrant panel letter panel to simple wood pots and later parts growing for a natural scene. Those ideas help create a cozy pool without the cost of traditional fans. Add lights or solve lights. Lights is one of the cozy yard more effective a way to upgrading your pool landscape.